Welcome to the 29th floor. I'm Noah Robichon here with Mark Wilson to discuss a burrito built by IBM Watson. Explain to me and the viewers, what is an IBM Watson burrito? What the hell did you make?
So you know IBM's Watson, the same AI that beat Ken Jennings in Jeopardy. Now IBM's trained him to be a chef. Okay, and so we've seen this sort of evolve over the last year, but now IBM has just released this cookbook, and you can actually make recipes designed in part by Chef Watson, in part by some human handlers. And so what I did was I made a burrito recipe that was in it. It was an Austrian chocolate burrito.
All right, you're in my kitchen and we're about to cook a Watson burrito.
So here are the ingredients, right? You have ground beef. Yeah, ground beef seems simple, right? But then you zest an entire orange into it and you top it with cinnamon. Put that in a shell along with some edamame, that's just plain edamame that you pulverize.
Whoa. You put edamame in your burrito?
This is Watson's call here. And then you make an apricot chocolate sort of sauce.
This sounds really weird, I gotta admit. This sounds not like a good burrito. I'm just gonna say it right off. This does not sound like what I expect when I go to Chipotle.
So here's the assembled product. I'm gonna take my first bite.
That's not bad. Kind of bland.
It looks so bad that I thought it had to be good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So then I made it and it wasn't good. The worst part is it's really dry.
But it has the apricot chocolate sauce on it. Wouldn't that moisten it up a little bit?
So I cheated. The way I used it, I didn't use fresh apricots. I used a canned apricot instead. I admit this problem. The way Watson made this recipe was really just a list of ingredients. And then, human helpers came in and said, okay, well, this is how we're gonna combine this.
At South by Southwest, they had a food truck with Watson creations coming out of it, and it was really tasty. So let's talk about the cookbook overall. Who's gonna buy this, and would you actually recommend anybody go out and buy this because there were good recipes in it?
The recipes are very difficult. Most require stuff like sous vide machines. You're gonna need ingredients to do techniques like spherification. Even if the recipes aren't great, and I've tried 2 of them and both were lousy, I'm sure the other ones might be better. I still think it's an interesting portrait, right, into where food is right now in relationship to technology.
So maybe thumbs up on the cookbook, just don't cook the Austrian chocolate burrito is the answer
Right.
there. We wanna hear from you. Should AI continue to refine its skills as a chef, or should it just throw in the towel and go back to Jeopardy? Let us know, #29th floor. Thanks, see you next week.